Ryan here. So listen, do you ever have a problem with people looking at your network marketing business, at your MLM? I bet you do. If you're like most of us. Here's the problem. So many people won't give your business a shot for this reason, because it's network marketing. Okay. They won't because they don't understand it. And that's one of the biggest things that I see. I read an article the other day. I was just curious. It was on a just actually a comedy site, and they were saying the biggest business, the fastest growing industry right now, they were acknowledging it, is MLM. But then they went on to talk about all the things that they didn't like about it. Right? There are negative aspects to the industry. Fair enough, right? Just like any industry. I mean, do you think that the insurance industry or the banking industry or real estate or the stock market, do you think that those businesses, the Walmarts, that they don't have negative sides to those businesses, right? They do. And a lot of the smaller competitors in those type of industries, the ones that aren't doing what they should be doing, they go out of business, just like in network marketing, okay? Here's the difference, is in network marketing, you have the ability to invest very little and to create a big time business. Now, here's a quick tool that I think is going to be really powerful for you if you take advantage of it. I'm not an affiliate for this. I don't gain anything from telling you about it, except that I've seen how powerful that a third party opinion can be. And it's just called Rise of the Entrepreneur. You can just look it up. I'll put the site below. It's called Rise of the Entrepreneur. It's by Eric Worre. And it goes into interviews with people like Richard Branson and I believe Tony Robbins, and a lot of these people that are giving their input onto the industry that aren't in network marketing. They're saying this is why you would want to be a part of it, and here's what we actually think about it, because we're not. So you would get some third-party input, and then for people that are skeptical, I would suggest showing this to them. I think it's only like $10 a month, maybe, to be able to take advantage of this video. It's almost an hour long, but just called Rise of the Entrepreneur. I would check that out. We would suggest that to our team as well, because you are going to have people out there that don't, and that's the biggest problem that you run into, is a lack of faith in the industry, right? You don't have a problem selling products necessarily, right? You don't have a problem with a lot of, solving problems, whatever it is, knowing who you should reach. Is building your business and it's getting people that you have talked to believe in the industry. Once you do, you have a much stronger team. So guys, that's it. I wanted to keep this one short, under 3 minutes almost. But check that video out if you really want to get another peek from some outside opinion, and maybe you've battled with that too in the past. This will really help you, but most of all, it'll help your team. It'll help you going forward as you're building your team and as you're talking to new people to say, hey, that's fine. Don't take my word for it. Just like reading Rainbow. Check it out. There you go. Guys, Ryan, I'll see you again soon. If you have a problem with the number one issue everyone runs into, which is finding enough people to talk to, go ahead and click my link below for my free training on how to grow a business, any kind of business, talk to people in network marketing, and get 20 to 30 leads that are contacting you every single day. All right? I'll see you again soon.